If you want to cancel your Skyscanner subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Skyscanner website or app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile or menu section of the website or app. Step 3. Find subscription details. Look for the section that details your subscriptions or payment methods. Here, you should see your current subscription plan. Step 4. Initiate cancellation. Select the option to cancel your subscription. Follow any prompts or instructions provided to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After cancelling, check your email for a confirmation message from Skyscanner. This will ensure that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Skyscanner subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to the customer support for assistance.